topic that uh, it is based on a geographical area, and the computer is classified as, or the computer network is classified as. Okay. So whenever we can say that the computer can communicate with each other, it just means that they are sharing their data and resources along with the some of the applications. And we are talking about that AnyDesk application. That AnyDesk application is what, through which we can access the we can remotely access the system. Okay, so just like that, I am here and you are at your own home place, correct? So if we both have a particular AnyDesk application, so there is a one key or one number will be generated. If we share it, that particular number, through that I can access your computer or laptop, or even if mobile also, if we have a AnyDesk app. So that can made possible. So similarly, peoples are doing, or the IT engineers are doing, they are accessing their machines, cloud-based machines, through that multiple applications. Their own secure applications is there. AnyDesk is not that much of secure, but it can be used for a general purpose, right? But for a company purpose, they are using their own systems, right? So that if you want to perform that networking, if you want to exchange the data, there are the several categories or some classifications of a networks are there. So out of that, the three major classifications are that first one is the LAN, local area network. Second one is the WAN, wide area network. And third one is the metropolitan area network. So as per their names, that first one is the local area network. That comes in your mind that local means definitely, just like that we can say that where you are from. So we just say that we are local. Those are belongs to Amravati. अमरावती में जो रहने वाले बच्चे हैं तो वो वही बोलते कि हम लोकल हैं. And those are from the other district, they will say that we are from a other district or from outside, right? So the meaning of a local area network is just what, in a one particular restricted region, or a limited region, we can say that, not restricted, it is a limited region in which we can exchange the data and the resources of the application through that particular network. Whereas the second one is the wide area network, that is a WAN. That wide area network, that wide itself indicates that the range of that particular network is increased with respect to the local area network. And the last one is the metropolitan. So that metropolitan cities are there, where there multiple facilities are in that particular cities. 5-star hotels are there. Then good quality of healthcare services are there. If you consider the example of Mumbai, Mumbai is there, along with that Bangalore, then Noida, Gurgaon, then Hyderabad. So these are Surat, Ahmedabad, then Nagpur, even if we can consider. So these are what metro cities, we can say. So metropolitan politician and that particular area network is related to the somewhat the one particular city oriented. We will see in detail that local area network, that is a particular group of computers that as shown in the particular figure 1.22, that LAN, that are connected in a small area such as a building, home, or etc. So if we are having a particular lab inside our college, that a single lab is there, if there is a 20 or 25 systems are there, so all are connected in a local area network, right? So just because of that, we don't require a large distance communication, and the area is very small, that is only a lab purpose. Or even if those are from the computer department, they might be known that we are having a computer center, right? So that computer center is having a server. Okay, so if the lab is near to the server, then we can use the local area network. LAN cables are used through which we can communicate, right? So that small area, if there is that building or home, so for that we are using the local area network. So through this type of network, users can easily communicate with each other by sending and receiving message. Now again, that message is what exactly? it is a data. It is what exactly it is, nothing but the data. And that data is again in the format of a machine language and user understandable language. मशीन लैंग्वेज तो बाइनरी लैंग्वेज रहेगी और हम जो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं दैट इज इंग्लिश, हिंदी और मराठी. ओके, सो नेचुरल लैंग्वेज. सो दैट व्हाट मैसेज इज नथिंग बट द communication or exchanging of a data. Then it is generally used for connecting two or more personal computers through the some medium such as a twisted pair or coaxial cable. Now, whenever we go to the cyber cafe, we observe that there is a monitor, there is a CPU, and the CPU is having a one power cord or power cable. And apart from that, there is a one cable which is a brown color cable, and it is having a one switch, और उसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, पिन. देयर इज अ वन पिन, ओके, जो हमारे लैंडलाइन को भी रहती है. लैंडलाइन की पिन देखी है किसी ने?
Yes, sir.
लैंडलाइन पिन्स.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible on screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
That's smallest part, this one. Okay, one is the input and another one is output. So this one that will zoom. Okay, I guess Amazon open हो गया है. Okay, so that particular pin, that pin is punched into the vertical wire through their connections. Multiple wires are there. So once it will be insert, in the CPU, so it starts communicating with that system to the network. Okay, so that made possible with the help of a NIC card. NIC card, it's a network interface card, right? Every system is having that NIC card, and with the help of that, the system can communicate by validating. कुछ लॉगिन आईडी डिटेल्स वगैरह रहेंगे, नेटवर्क के पासवर्ड वगैरह सेट किया होगा. उसके बाद वो वैलिडेट होने के बाद that network can be made available in your system. So it is what exactly? It is a generally used for connecting two or more personal computers. Okay, आप लैब में भी इसका सेटअप कर सकते हो, या फिर दो कंप्यूटर में से डेटा एक्सचेंज करना है. एक हमारा लैपटॉप है और एक डेस्कटॉप है, और वो डेटा बहुत ज्यादा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ जीबी, तो पेन ड्राइव या फिर हार्ड डिस्क, ये भी ऑप्शंस हैं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इफ यू वांट टू डू दैट थ्रू द लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, वी कैन आल्सो डू इट. Just we require one cable having a both sided pin, single side nahi, both sided, both are connected to the both system, and we can exchange that data in between two systems through the local area network. That cables are used, that is a twisted pair or coaxial cable, right? Then though the number of computers connected in a LAN is limited, the data is transferred at an extremely faster rate. Now this point is very important in case of a LAN, and it is one of the biggest advantage of a LAN, that when we are talking about that LAN is having a little bit drawback. That first point indicate that drawback, that that are connected in a small area. Okay, so what exactly it is? We have a scope of only a small area, and we don't get that data transmitted for a longer distance. That was a drawback. But definitely that overcomes by the last point. Though there is a limited region or limited computers can be exchange their data, but data transfer rate is extremely fast. Why it is so? Just because of data is getting transferred through the wire. Correct. बहुत बार हम जब वायर्ड कनेक्शन करते हैं तो उसमें डेटा क्लियर रहता है. मैंने वॉइस कॉल अगर करते हैं वॉइस कॉल अगर करते हैं लैंडलाइन टू लैंडलाइन, तो उसमें डेटा एक्सचेंज जो रहता है क्लियर रहता है, क्योंकि नॉइस उसमें ऐड नहीं होता है, ठीक है। और होता भी होगा तो बहुत कम होता है, क्योंकि वो 1 to 1 है, केबलिंग के थ्रू पूरा स्ट्रक्चर एस्टेब्लिश रहता है लैंडलाइन कम्युनिकेशन। बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्टिकुलर communication, means wireless communication, so in that case definitely there is a noise, and one of the major noise creator is none other than sun और सन रेज सबसे ज्यादा नॉइस क्रिएट करते हैं। तो ये जो टावर्स दिखते हैं हमको, ये सिर्फ सिग्नल ट्रांसमिशन का काम नहीं करते हैं। जो भी मोबाइल के टावर्स वगैरह दिखते हैं ना, तो दैट देयर वर्क इज नॉट ओनली द जस्ट टू ट्रांसमिट द सिग्नल और टू बूस्ट द सिग्नल, दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग द वर्क टू रिड्यूस द नॉइस। जो भी हम कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं अब थ्रू द नेटवर्क ही कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट। कोई एयरटेल का नेटवर्क यूज कर रहा होगा, कोई बीएसएनएल का, कोई जियो का, कोई आइडिया का, वोडाफोन आइडिया का, कोई और कोई नेटवर्क होगा तो यूज कर रहा होगा। सो बट ऑल आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर वाया द गूगल मीट, right? So there may be the some chances that the voice is altered or voice is having a some sort of means that kam zyada ho sakta hai in case of the communication. But in case of wired communication, then we are having a guarantee that data is good quality or transmission is in good quality, and always it is having the fastest speed, right? So that is the biggest advantage of a local area network. The diagram indicates that these four systems are connected with each other through the one of the cable, that is a coaxial cable or a twisted pair. दो में से कोई भी एक यूज कर सकते हैं हम, depending upon requirement. So they can communicate. But if we increase the multiple computers, again there is a problem, because what exactly happened? If these four computers are communicating with each other, so the speed of the network is getting divided into the 4 computer. अगर आप कंसीडर करो कि भाई डेटा ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, तो उसका कुछ तो भी एक रेट रहेगा डेटा ट्रांसफर का, ठीक है। सो दैट इज अ 100 Mbps if you consider. So it is divided into the 4 parts. So it is for a single system it is 25 Mbps, ठीक है। 25, 25, 25 and 25, total 100 Mbps. If you increase the again 4 computers, okay, total 8 computers, so that 100 Mbps speed is getting divided by the 8 computers. If you increase again 16, means 8 plus 8, 16 computers, again it is getting reduced. And if you add again more 32, and if you multiply it, then then that particular speed is increased, or speed of the particular single computer is getting reduced and reduced, because that 100 Mbps speed is constant, that we don't increase it, ठीक है। आप उसको increase नहीं कर सकते, फिर आपको उसके लिए नेटवर्क का जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो चेंज करना पड़ेगा। either we have to change the plan or we have to change the particular network architecture. But that kind of one drawback if there or we consider, but the advantages is that limited number of computers if there and they want to communicate with each other, then LAN is the best networking concept or network through which we can communicate at a faster data rate transmission. So that is what a particular local area network deals. Then wide area networks. That wide area network is a group of computers that are connected in a large area such as a continent and country. What exactly that continent? पूरा ग्लोब यानी पूरे अर्थ, और इवन इफ वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ कंट्री टू कंट्री कम्युनिकेशन, राइट। यानी यहाँ से हम डायरेक्टली व्हाट्सएप कॉल कर सकते हैं यूएसए में, या फिर अदर कंट्रीज में, जापान, जर्मनी, एनी रशिया, इवन इफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ये तो भी कंट्रीज, ठीक है। हम बोल सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे टावर्स खड़े होंगे, इसकी वजह से कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है। नो, नॉट लाइक दैट। ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो बहुत दूर है, बीच में बहुत बड़ा समुंदर भी है। So how we can build the tower? It is not a tower based communication, it is a completely satellite based communication. So we deal with the network, which is we are dealing with the current network based on India, so that directly communicate with the communication satellite, okay. and through that communication satellite that made possible to transmit the data at a larger distance along with a good quality with the help of satellite, क्योंकि सैटेलाइट तो पूरा पूरा ग्लोब को कंट्रोल कर रहा है यानी मॉनिटर कर रहा है, ठीक है. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट communication made easy and possible at a remote region also. Remote region just like that, if we are in a Amazon के जो जंगल्स है वो बहुत डेंस है, वहाँ पे पेड़ बहुत है, ठीक है, इसकी वजह से सिग्नल्स नहीं आते हैं. बट स्टिल विद द हेल्प ऑफ सैटेलाइट फोन, कुछ मूवीज वगैरह आपने देखी होंगी तो उसमें सैटेलाइट फोन्स का कंसेप्ट बताया है हॉलीवुड मूवीज वगैरह में. So that satellite phones that made possible the communication through the satellite to the one particular destination, right? So the wide area network is having a wide area to be covered, right? So that WAN is generally used for connecting two or more LANs. Definitely, that wide area network is having a wide range, but there should be the some receiver. सैटेलाइट तो आपको सिग्नलिंग देगा बट उसके पास सिग्नल भेजना भी पड़ेगा, ठीक है, फिर वो कनेक्ट करेगा और फिर वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, ठीक है, टू दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन. ओके, सो दैट मेड पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ taking the other network's help. That is what a previous network, that is a LAN. So two or more LANs through some medium such as a leased telephone lines, microwaves, ठीक है. तो ये कुछ मीडियम्स उसमें यूज होते हैं थ्रू विच वी कैन एस्टेब्लिश द कनेक्शन विद द वैन. वैन का रेंज बहुत है बट उसको हेल्प लगेगी लैन की, टू और मोर लैंड्स की उसको हेल्प डेफिनेटली लगेगी, सो दैट जमीन के ऊपर जो भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है तो वो रिसीव कर सके. आपने सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन का अगर एक एग्जांपल देखा होगा तो एक बहुत सी ऐसी एक डिश रहती है, बहुत बड़ी डिश रहती है, दैट इज प्रोजेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द स्काई के तरफ वो प्रोजेक्टेड रहती है, बहुत बड़ी डिश, एंड थ्रू दैट द सिग्नल्स आर जनरेटेड एंड रिसीव्ड. जितनी उसकी ज्यादा कैपेसिटी होगी उतनी जल्दी सैटेलाइट को सिग्नल मिलेगा और वहां से रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट अ कम्युनिकेशन थ्रू द वैन. So in case of WAN, data is transferred at a slow rate. Now, if you are comparing the LAN and WAN में data transfer rate जो है वो slow है. Why this is so? Anyone?
Sir, because of the large distance and the large number of systems are connected to WAN.
Exactly. If you are considering the WAN that covers the particular large area, that means a continent and country, and that big amount of area if you want to cover, so definitely number of system that will connect it to that network that also more than that of the LAN. And again, there is a multiple factors regarding to the noise that are also included in case of a WAN. So data transfer rate is quite slow with comparison with the LAN. डिस्टेंस भी ज्यादा कवर कर रहा है और नंबर ऑफ सिस्टम्स भी बढ़ चुकी है. तो अल्टीमेटली उससे क्या होगा, सिस्टम का जो भी नेटवर्क स्पीड है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. जैसे अगर आपको याद होगा कि एक दिन अभी लास्ट वीक में शायद my network is not working properly just because of what, there are multiple tabs that I open in a web browser, and then there is a problem that same network I am using, same geo, same area, जहाँ पे रोज मैं लेक्चर लेता हूँ बैठ के, वही सब वही था, but multiple tabs open करके रखी थी, and just because of that they are using that network and they are not providing that much of enough network to the Google Meet. Then Sarvesh आहे का आज? Sarvesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sarvesh आहे. Saharsh said that, sir, there may be the problem. Saharsh hai? Is
Yes, sir.
Saharsh? Yes. Saharsh said that, sir, there may be the problem because of the multiple tabs that you have opened. I close it and then the lecture will continue. So that is what exactly the division of a network. जो भी नेटवर्क स्पीड मुझे मिल रहा था 1.3, 2.3 समथिंग mbps वगैरह जो भी था वो डिवाइड हो रहा था. So same can happen in case of a wide area network. number of systems are connected and the range is too high, too large, that continent and country. And just because of that, the data transfer rate that was very slow, but as the region covers, that is large. So that is a particular network design. So if you are considering that example, that first LAN on your left hand side and first top. Okay, there is a one message from Runmai. Okay, no problem. Okay, Runmai कडे network चा problem आहे. Okay, that first LAN on left hand side top, म्हणजे डाव्या हातावर जो वरचा भाग आहे, we consider at a one location. Consider this is what exactly American continent. Then right hand side, that is what second part, right hand side, that we considered as a Asian continent. Then bottom left डाव्या हाताला खाली आपण कन्सिडर करू त्याला की आफ्रिकन कॉन्टिनेंट. अँड देन राईट हँड साइड bottom that we consider Australia, New Zealand continent. ठीक है, these are the fourth continents and they want to communicate with each other. ठीक है, कि चार लोग हैं या फिर चार organizations हैं, they are working through that particular network. So the first LAN, which is at America base, they are connected with each other through the LAN, definitely, because they have to share the data with a faster rate, and they don't have to send that data to the large distance. Then second one on right hand side, that is the Asia continent. Third one at the bottom left, that is African, and last one is Australian. They are also having the same setup. But if they want to communicate with each other, for that communication, they require the wide area network, which is the satellite based communication, right? Because all these continents are far separated from each other, right? क्योंकि अमेरिका बीच में समुंदर, ऑस्ट्रेलिया बीच में समुंदर, अफ्रीका, एशिया, एटलीस्ट उसमें तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि देयर इज अ कनेक्शन इन बिटवीन देम, दैट थ्रू द लैंड दैट वी कैन एस्टैब्लिश द टावर. बट for a longer distance, again we failed to establish the tower or a cable structure. Okay, anyone heard the particular news about that from Chennai to Port Blair, Andaman? There is a fast internet cable is established before 2 or 3 months ago, and that was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Modi ji. Anyone know that particular news? At least those are belong to the electronics background, they must know that particular news. That Port Blair, when I visited to the Andaman and Nicobar, there is a very very poor network, because वहाँ पे सिग्नल ही नहीं है, यानी टावर्स ही नहीं है, क्योंकि इतने दूर कम्युनिकेशन एस्टेब्लिश करना, तो it is quite difficult. The last part of India, that is what the Andaman and Nicobar, in a sea. Nicobar is a completely military based island, but Andaman is for a tourist. Okay, so that there is a 2G network actually. इंटरनेट तो चलता ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं, ओनली BSNL. और कोई एक आध बार वोडाफोन का थोड़ा बहुत कॉल लग गया या फिर एयरटेल का कॉल लग गया, so that is enough. So for to remove that kind of communication problem, yes Tejas, exactly. So that remove that communication problem, that our government, central government decided that to plan to provide a cable based network. Okay, so big in terms of what I can say, that a large that fiber optic cable they have placed in between the Chennai and the Port Blair. तो वो जमीन समुद्र से डाला गया पूरा केबल पानी के अंदर, और वो थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर केबल दे प्रोवाइड द डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी of internet to that particular region, Andaman and Nicobar. and even if they are having the tourism place, and along with that the military base, just because of that it is quite important. And उसके बाजू में फिर म्यांमार वगैरह है और चाइना भी है बाजू में, so that because of that internet connectivity is much required over there. So that made possible with the help of a cable. But if you want to establish the connection in between the Kanyakumari and the Australia, नीचे के पार्ट अगर कंसीडर करते हैं तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो बहुत ज्यादा दूर है, इतनी बड़ी केबल, तो उसमें डैमेजेस के भी पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत रहेंगे. नंबर ऑफ दैट स्पेसिस आर इन अ पर्टिकुलर सी, तो मेजर इशू वाज देयर, and just because of that it is not practically possible. So that the WAN concept comes in an account. It made possible that the multiple computers can communicate with multiple users can communicate with each other when they are connected in a particular LAN, so they can use the facility of a WAN. So that is what exactly the complete description about the wide area network. Later on, metropolitan area network. So the MAN is a network computer that covers a large area like a city. बोला तो गया कि large area, but it is bounded in a one particular region up to the certain kilometers. If you consider the Amravati city, that maybe 25 kilometers is sufficient from a depot, means ST stand, to the far away distance. If you are considering that Valga, that merge in the Amravati, then Nangaon, that MIDC, then here we can say that Belura एयरपोर्ट, अमरावती में भी एयरपोर्ट है पता सबको? अमरावती में भी एयरपोर्ट है, पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बट वहाँ पे फ्लाइट्स आती नहीं है और जाती भी नहीं है, so that is under developed, ठीक है, under construction. So that particular airport, it's far away. So if you consider 25 kilometers, that was one particular range of Amravati city. And if you consider the other cities, Nagpur, Pune, Mumbai, they are huge. Means Pune में तो literally central जो area है वहाँ से 100 किलोमीटर या फिर 120 किलोमीटर तक भी पुणे का region, means सब region, not exactly Pune, सब regions exist करता है, इतना दूर distance भी वहाँ पे है. So if you consider that part, and if you want to provide some network to that particular region, we are having a metropolitan area network. That was the third category of a network. The size of a MAN is generally lies between the LAN and the WAN, covering a distance of a 5 kilometer to the 50 kilometer. अब ये दोनों के बीच का है. That's why it put at the last. First is the LAN, which is having a very small range up to certain meter. कुछ मीटर तक ही उसकी रेंज है, even if not kilometer. In case of LAN. Whereas in a wide area network, it reaches to the thousands of millions of not millions, thousands of kilometers away, right? Entire continent that can be covered with the help of WAN. Whereas in case of MAN, it is having a range in between, or coverage in between the 5 kilometer to the 50 kilometer. Then geographical area covered by the MAN is comparatively large than LAN, but smaller than WAN, right? Definitely LAN से ज़्यादा ही रहेगा और WAN से कम रहेगा. MAN is generally owned by a private organization, and MAN is generally connected with the help of optical fibers and copper wires. So generally आप केबल टेलीविजन नेटवर्क अगर देखते हो, जो अपना घर में रहता है ना, केबल टेलीविजन नेटवर्क, अभी तो डिश का भी कंसेप्ट आ चुका है, वायरलेस, या फिर इंटरनेट से भी हो जाता है शायद, राइट? अमेज़न ने there are some TV that television set that having a direct internet connectivity, so we don't require any kind of a cable television or a dish connection. We can directly connect to the internet and we can view all the necessary what the episodes and all that, the program that we have to watch through that particular same TV through the network. Okay, but for that we require a network, internet, which we use on a telephone, mobile or the laptop. Same network is required. but the man uses the optical fiber, and just because of that, the speed that increases. The range is also less, 5 to 50 kilometer, but because of the optical fiber, which is quite good in the transmission of a data. Then one of the common example, that is cable television. A network device known as a router is used to connect the LANs together. The router directs the information packets to the desired destination. You can hear some background noise from my side. गाड़ी वाला आया, कचरा निकाल वगैरह ऐसा कुछ आएगा. So neglect it. It is a noise, right? So the network device known as a router is connected to the LAN together. A router that itself has a one name and the particular definition with that particular name. Router is nothing but the one of the device who gives the route to the data. कहाँ जाना है, right? जैसे गूगल मैप पे आप देखते हो रूट रहता है, तो वो बताता है फिर राइट जाना है, लेफ्ट जाना है, स्ट्रेट जाना है वगैरह बताता है. तो सिमिलरली राउटर टेल्स टू द डेटा वेयर टू गो टू, एंड जैसे रिक्वेस्ट आती है, जहां से रिक्वेस्ट आती है और फिर रिस्पॉन्स अगर करना है, तो फॉर दैट रिस्पॉन्स data information packets or the data packets that will be transferred, so that address is decided by the router. So that comes in an account in case of a metropolitan area network. So these are all the three networks. This diagram is there. Okay, this is what the actual architecture or diagram of a metropolitan area network. Okay. So for today we will stop here. That router, LAN connecteds are there. Every router is having a LAN, and all that routers are connected with each other with the help of a cable television network. That is optical fiber or coaxial cable, right? This is what exactly the networking concepts. Those three networks are there: LAN, MAN, WAN. With the help of a range, with the help of a size, with the help of their connectivity and their utility, they are getting distinguished with each other. We will discuss rest of the topic